What's up, everybody? So, yes, I would recommend the Huion. What is it? The Kamvas 13 Gen 3? Gen 3. Yeah. New Gen 3 came out this year. I would recommend it. Yeah, the pressure sensitivity feels good. 16,000 plus levels. Is it that much of a difference between the 8,000? I don't know. Feels good to me. Feels smooth. The screen technology, new screen technology, actually feels really good too. It does feel smooth. It looks good. It's a small little 13-inch screen, so 1080 looks really good on it. The colors are really good too. You can see the color sheet, and they show, I guess, how they calibrated it, and then the percentages of sRGB, all that stuff. All the technical stuff. Good price point. It's under $300. It's really nice. Keys on the left side, or depending on how you're gonna use it. Maybe it'll be on your right side, depending on right, left hand, maybe ambidextrous. Who knows? There's a button in the middle of the dial, so when you click the button, it'll switch the dial's function between brush size, rotating screen, zooming in, or whatever you want to customize it to. I think it's got like 7 customization keys on the side. Shortcut keys. I don't know. I didn't use them that much. I mean, I didn't really care to use them that much. I usually just use the keyboard, or if I have an external shortcut remote like the or doesn't come with it. I think it's like $60, $80. I don't know. I got it on sale. Tight space if you don't have a lot of room on your desk. If you have your keyboard, your mouse, and your computer, maybe you have a desktop. If you have a PC, if you have just the iMac, I guess you'll probably have a bit more room. Or if you have a MacBook or a laptop, something like that, just something. If you have a little bit of desk room and you don't have a lot of space for a big old tablet, you get the 13. I think it was on sale. I think I got it for like $258 and some change. It was on sale. On Amazon. I got it on Amazon. So I mean, I don't know. Maybe try Amazon. I'm pretty sure the official website probably has a sale too. I'm honestly not sure. I got it for under $300. It's under $300. It does what it does. The new pen, it has a third button on the new pen. I kept finding myself clicking it a lot by mistake. I'm not entirely sure if I really liked it that much. And I also kind of found it a little awkward to try and have to, really pull my finger back more and more, as opposed to just the regular last gen pen. It's just the two buttons. I feel like I was really just having to go further back to get that third. Now, honestly, right here's my honest opinion. I would have liked it on the side for the thumb or something like that. I mean, I get the whole aesthetic appeal of just following this row, but if it were on the side with the thumb, where I could just like tap it with the thumb, or maybe move my finger over to the side a little bit, and maybe it's like right here on the side. I don't know, but then you get the accidental clicks and stuff like that. I don't know. For me, it just wasn't as comfortable as just using the regular 2-button click. It's there. It's good for 3D because you can program it to being the middle mouse button. I think that's one of the big issues with the regular 2-button pens, is you have to sacrifice a button if you want to use one of them for a middle mouse click.